Meaning of dentistry.
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 Dentistry. Dentistry refers to the branch of medicine that deals with the study, diagnosis, prevention, and treatment of diseases, disorders, and conditions of the oral cavity and associated structures. This includes the teeth, gums, jaws, and soft tissues of the mouth. Dentists use various techniques and tools such as x-rays, drills, and anesthesia to treat dental problems such as cavities, gum disease, and tooth loss. They also provide preventive care through regular cleanings and checkups to maintain optimal oral health. Overall, dentistry plays a crucial role in maintaining the health and well-being of individuals.